If you are creating a blog, so you will need to create different categories to assign your blog post to these categories. Adding your blog post to categories make it easy for you and your website visitors to find relevant posts on your blog. For example, you want to create a traveling blog, so you will have different posts on your blog. For example, blog posts on different flights, hotels, cities, beaches, foods, and adventures. So you will assign each relevant post to its specific category to make it easy for your website visitors to find their relevant post in that category on your blog. Similarly, if you are running an online shop, an e-commerce website, so you will need to create different product categories like dresses, jewelry, footwears, electronics, men accessories and women accessories, etc., etc. And then you will assign each product to its relevant category. Now, creating category is very easy. We will go to our WordPress dashboard, and here under post, you will see the option for categories. So click on categories, and from here you can create categories. So we will scroll down a little. So we will write a name for a category here. So let's say for demonstration we will create a category for foods. So I will name it foods. And then here you can write a slug for this category, like the URL for this category. So let's say for demonstration I will write something here, best foods. So the URL for this category will be your website name.com/best-foods. Now if this category have a parent category, so you can select that from the drop down. But right now we do not have any categories on our website, so we will leave it as it is. Then you can write a description for this category, but this is not mandatory. You can leave it blank. Then scroll down and click on add new category. So here you can see now we have this new food category. Now for demonstration we will create some more categories. So let's say create a category for Italian foods. Then write a slug for this category here. Then in the parent category we will select food as a parent category for this Italian food category. So we will click on the drop down and we will select foods. Then scroll down and click on add new category. So here you can see we have this Italian foods category and it is coming as a child category under the foods category. We will create one more category and we will name it Arabic food. We will provide the slug Arabic-foods, and here we will select food as the parent category for this category, and again we will click on add new category. So similarly you can create different categories from here like hotels, flights, beaches, adventures, and then under each category you can create child categories. Now to assign your post to these categories, we will go to our posts, and here for demonstration I have created some posts like the margarita pizza and the hummus, the Gulf special food. So we will click on edit, and here we will click on post, and then we will scroll down. So here is the categories option. Just click on the drop down and select the category for this post. So this is an Arabic food, so I will select the category Arabic food. So this post is now assigned to this Arabic food category. Now click on update. Now we will go back to our all posts, and here we will click on edit for the margarita pizza. Again we will scroll down to the categories, and here we will click on Italian foods to assign this margarita pizza post to the Italian foods category. Then we will click on update. So this is how you create categories and assign posts or products to those categories on your website. In the similar way you can create tags, and when you create tags then you can tag different posts when you are creating posts. For example, you create a tag delicious food. Then whenever you are creating a new post about foods, you can add delicious food tag to that post, and that tag will appear in the bottom of your that post, and whenever someone click on that tag, so it will show them a list of all those posts on your blog with that tag. I will show you this now so you will better understand how it works. So first of all, we will create a tag. So we will go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here under post we will click on tags. So let's say for demonstration we will create a tag of delicious food. So I will name it delicious food. Then we will write a slug here. So let's say I will write here something like delicious dash foods. Then we will scroll down and we will click on add new tag. So this delicious foods tag is created. Now we will go back to our all post, and here for demonstration I will open this hummus post. So I will click on edit. Now we will scroll down a little, and here under tags you can create a new tag or you can search for your created tag. So I will search here for delicious food. So this is the tag which we just created. I will select here. Then you can also add more tags here, but for demonstration we will add this delicious food tag only. So I will click on update. Now if we preview this post, and if we scroll down to the bottom, so here you can see the category for this post is Arabic foods and the tag for this post is delicious food. Now if someone click on this tag delicious food, so it will show them all the posts that have a tag of delicious food. So this is how the categories and tags works on your website. In the next lecture we will discuss how to create menus for your website.